Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Thanks for joining me. Bagoday Crochet. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, so you can enjoy all my crochet tutorials and all my yarn content. So today I'm going to do just a little crochet, yarn related tip video. Now, did you know I'm going to teach you about yarn weights? So right here I have in my hand a fingering weight, number 1 weight, or whatever you want to call it here. Here it is. Did you know that if you put two number 1 yarns together, like this, they will be equivalent to a number 2 weight, which is right here. And as you can see, they are the same size. I have 2 number 1s right here and 1 number 2 over here. Did you know that if you have a number 2 weight and you put it together with another number 2 weight, like this, so 2 number 2 weights together, that's 2 2s, is going to equal a 3 weight, which is also known as a DK. So let's check that out. Yeah, see that? So there's 2 2 weights there and 1 DK or 3 weight in the other hand. Alright, do you know that if you take 2 3 weights and put them together, like I have right here, they're going to equal a 4 weight yarn. So I got a 4 weight right here. Why don't we hold them together and see how they compare. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble getting these twisted together to hold them together. So there you go. You can see that my 2 3 weights are just about equal. Yeah, they're equal to a 4 weight. See that? 2 3 weights there on over here, 1 4 weight over here. Okay, let's move them to the side. So I got a 4 weight here. So if I put 2 4 weights together, what do you think that's going to make? That's going to make a 5 weight. Let's check it out. I do happen to have a 5 weight right here. But I must say a lot of 5 weights vary in size. Some are thicker and thinner than others, but I tried to take an average of the 5 weights that I had here. So I got my 2 4 weights here and my 1 5 weight here. They're a little harder to twist together, than the smaller ones, but as you can see, 2 4 weights will equal a 5 weight. Okay, how about 2 5 weights? Now, 2 5 weights are supposed to equal a 6 weight. Let's try it out. So there's my 2 5s. Now I got a 6, and again, 6 weights vary sometimes. I got a really extremely thick 6 weight here, but here's my 2 5s, and there is my 6. So they are pretty close to being the same. And if you put 2 6 weights together, they're supposed to equal a jumbo 7. Now a lot of jumbo 7s are very, very thick, and some of them are this size right here. So it really depends on the jumbo number 7 that you get. So that's just what I wanted to show you today, because a lot of people didn't know. You put 2 1 weights together, you got a 2 weight. You put 2 2 weights together, you got a 3 weight. You put 2 3 weights together, you got a 4 weight. 2 4 weights together will equal a 5 weight. 2 5 weights together will equal 6 weight. 2 6 weights together will equal whatever. Whatever it equals, it equals. That way, if you have, say you have a thin yarn, like a 1 weight or 2 weight, and you can't use it, you can double it up, take 2s and make a DK weight or 3 weight out of it. Say you have 3 weights and you want to make, you want it to be thicker, double up those 3s and make a 4 weight. That's how it's done. That's how you thicken your yarn. I hope that this video was informative, and I hope that I went over it well. Just remember, the formula is real easy. 2 1s equal a 2, 2 2s equal a 3, 2 3s equal a 4, 2 4s equal a 5, and 2 5s equal a 6. But remember, on the 5 and 6 weights, they can vary a little bit because, and when we're speaking yarns, the ones that vary the most are the 5 and 6 weights. So thanks everybody for watching. Remember, hit that like button. Let me know if this helped you out in any way. Or if you already knew this, a lot of people may have already known this. And don't forget to check out all my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.